What's up, everybody? I'm Tim from Tim Rouge Gifts. Got my little buddy Lyric with me today. Today we're going to be checking out an awesome kit. It's from Community Candle Supply. It is their Kids Critter Melt and Pour Soap Making Kit. I'm going to go ahead and get a few things ready, and Lyric's going to tell you what all comes in the kit.
In the kit, it comes with these molds. There's a hippo, there's a lion, there's a bull, and an elephant. There's a goat, there's a sheep, there's a cow, and a duck. Also, the kit includes these twirly ribbon things. I don't know what to call them.
Curling ribbons.
Curling ribbons?
Yeah.
Okay. And it's orange and yellow. It also comes with these treat bags that you can put the finished product in for gifts and tie it with the ribbon. It comes with kiwi, strawberry fragrance oil. It comes with ocean blue, citrus orange, strawberry red, and lemon yellow food dye. Soap dye. And it also comes with the wax.
2 pounds of melt and pour soap base, which I'm getting ready now. To fill up both molds, we're going to need about 10 ounces. So this is a great project for kids to do on their own, but they might need a little bit of help. So I'm going to cut up the soap and melt it down for Lyric. Then she's going to mix everything else up and make some soap.
Yep.
Alright, we've got our soap base all cut up, ready to melt down. A couple extra things you might need. A nice plastic pouring pitcher. These funnel pitchers work great. A small measuring cup. A spray bottle with some rubbing alcohol. And a plastic dropper. And you're also going to need a plastic spatula to stir this up. Now to start, we're just going to melt this in the microwave. You can use a double boiler. A microwave works really well. We're going to put it on high for about 2 minutes. We're going to check it. We're going to stir it up. Then we're going to do it in 30-second increments, just until it's all completely melted. Alright, we're completely melted down. It actually only took about 1.5 minutes. It's really hot at this point, so if you've got a little one like Lyric, you definitely want to watch them, make sure they don't burn themselves. Now we're going to let Lyric get the fragrance oil and the dye ready. Take our dye. We're going to do 3.5 milliliters for each mixture. We're going to put our fragrance oil away. Now we got to add our liquid soap dye. Which color do you want for this one?
This whole tray.
Yep, we're going to do this tray one color, and this tray one color.
This tray to be blue.
Blue, okay. So we're going to take our ocean blue liquid dye.
How many drops?
2 or 3, however dark you want it to be. One, two. Okay. And what color do we want this one to be?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Or orange.
Well, we only have yellow.
Oh.
Oh, we do have orange. So orange or yellow?
Ooh, yellow.
Yellow. We'll take our lemon yellow liquid color dye. Add 2 or 3 drops to that.
Okay. Yeah, I am, because yellow doesn't show up very much. 2, 3.
Alright, so we've got our soap melted, we've got our fragrance oil and our soap dye combined. Now we're just going to pour that into there.
There's 1 drop.
Yeah.
Of blue.
Yeah, okay. Good enough.
Stir it?
Yep, stir that up a little bit. Be really careful because it's hot, okay?
I am.
Okay. Alright, that's good enough for now. Alright. Now we're going to do the same thing with our yellow.
Which one has the lion? Okay. So
This one has the lion. That would be a
this-
yellow one?
Yeah.
Okay. Yellow there and blue here. And whenever you fill it up. All right, now everything's ready. We're ready to pour our soap.
Now we're going to do the same thing with the blue.
All right, Lyric did an amazing job pouring our soap. We got one step left to do before we let this cool. You can't really see it from the camera, but it's got a lot of air bubbles on the top. All we have to do to get rid of the air bubbles is take a spray bottle full of rubbing alcohol. Just give each soap just one quick spray. Okay, now get rid of all the bubbles, the alcohol will evaporate, and you'll never even know it was there. Now we're just gonna let these sit for about an hour. We'll come back, unmold them, and see how our soap looks. All right, so our soap's all done. Let's go ahead and take it out of the mold and see how it looks. Pull a couple up so they can see.
Okay.
Which one's your favorite?
I like two of them. I can't choose between these two.
I think the elephant is my favorite.
Keeps on looking like a poodle to me.
Yeah. So not only is the Kids Critter Soap Kit a great gift by itself, you can also make great gifts with it. It also comes with treat bags and curling ribbon, so we can package some of these up and give them away to our friends. We'll package a couple up.
Yeah!
Here's your bag.
So can I blow into it?
Yep.
Here, I'll put both of my favorite ones.
I'm going to put this one in here and give it to Mama.
Aww.
She'll like it. She likes that.
She does?
Yep. Which color ribbon you want to use?
I'm gonna use yellow.
Yellow. Okay. That much?
Probably. About 6, 7 inches.
Yeah. I'm going to use orange.
So we cut it to about 5, 6 inches to it, and it is curly. So the ends will curl, and it looks very pretty.
All right, we've got that tied up really good. Now we can just take our scissors, just stretch it across the ribbon, give it a nice little curl. Put it up. All right, there we go. Now we got some awesome gifts to give people. As you can see, it's a nice, fun, great little project, easy project for kids to do. We've made about 8 bars of soap so far, and enough to do probably about 10 more. You have fun?
Yeah.
Me too. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm going to leave a link in the description for the Kids Critter Melt and Pour Soap Kit from Community Candle Supply. You guys make sure you check it out. If you do order one, make sure you tell them that Tim and Lyric sent you. You guys stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.